You had me at hello. Are you familiar with the term? Sure, you've heard it. Stop selling me. You had me at hello. Pass me your order form or your service contract. I'll sign off on it. Count me in. You know, when you have somebody at hello, that means that you have their undivided attention, right? Today, now more than ever, you have to have your prospect at hello, and there's no second chance at making a great first impression. Whatever you say after you say hello determines how much attention you're going to get from your sales prospects. And I'll tell you, if you don't have them at hello, chances are you're not going to get their attention. No attention, no sale. The first sale you make today is for the undivided attention of your sales prospect. And given the way that people are today, literally you have to negotiate with sales prospects for their attention. Quickly! You gotta have them at hello. My name is Pete Ekstrom. I teach sales and marketing communications at the Lubin School of Business, Pace University in New York City. Years ago, I created a speech processing tool called the Gold Call Script Builder Kit to help me get more appointments with sales prospects in my own private business. The Gold Call Script Builder Kit is the greeting that gets the meeting. And if you're looking to get your foot in the door and out of your mouth with sales prospects, you came to the right place. More information about the Gold Call Script Builder Kit distance learning curriculum can be found right here below. Have a look-see, and if you think the Gold Call course is right for you, I guess we'll be talking soon. But until then, this is Professor Pete saying so long for now, and until our paths cross again. Happy hunting!